Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing video of Snibe Maglumi SHBG CLIA Sexual Hormone-Binding Globulin Kit chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This kit is used to measure the sexual hormone-binding globulin levels in human blood or serum. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Maglumi. Over here product name Maglumi SHBG CLIA. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml lipfolacid calibrator low, 1 ml lipfolacid calibrator high, 23.5 ml buffer, 23.5 ml ABEI label, 15 ml dilute, 1 ml lipfolacid control 1, 1 ml lipfolacid control 2. These are the contents inside this kit. Over here we can see the reference number of this kit 130202515M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is a C certificate IVD product. One instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. So that's why the 100 is represents. We can do 100 tests using this reagent. Over here we can see the manufacturing address also. This kit is manufactured from China. So the origin of the kit is China. Here also we can see the European reference test address. This is the overall front view of this product. Here we can see the other angles. In this side we can see the Snibe Dynastic brand name. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic. In this side we can see the product name Maglumi SHBG. Reference number 130202515M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is the overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, we can see clearly the reagents inside, then also instruction manual, then controls. I am going to take this one by one for your reference. First of all, we can take the big one. This one contains the lipfolacid controls 1 and controls 2, then calibrator high, calibrator low, 2 empty tubes. We can see after the instruction manuals. The first one is a QC certificate provided by instruction manual provided by Snibe Dynastic Maglumi SHBG CLIA. The reference number of this kit is 130202515M, 100 tests per kit. This is C certificate IVD product. Here we can see indent use, summary, test principle, reagents, reagent contains kit components, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, storage and stability. These are the stuff inside in instruction. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a reagent seal. Here we can see SHBG, total of 3 noses. I'm going to keep this aside. The next one is a control stickers, 4 for control 1 and 4 for control 2, total 8 noses of stickers. And the next one is SHBG Maglumi, a volume of 1 ml H2O, SHBG CLIA lifeoil acid control 2. Yeah, this is a control 1. This is also a volume of 1 ml H2O, 2 bottles, control 1 and control 2. I am going to keep this aside. The next one is a Maglumi, volume of 1 ml H2O, SHBG lifeoil acid calibrator low. This is a yellow bottle. And the next one is Maglumi 1 ml H2O, SHBG lifeoil acid calibrator high. So these are high bottle and this is a low. And this one is control 1 and control 2. So there are 4 bottles and additional 2 was it comes with 2 empty tubes. I repeat, these are 2 empty tubes. This 6 bottles has comes. This 6 bottles comes with this tray. I show. This is a control 2. And control 1. Calibrator low and calibrator high. These 2 empty bottles are present there. It shows like that, present in this kit. And the final one is Maglumi SHBG CLIA. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 23.5 ml buffer, 23.5 ml ABEI label, 15 ml diluent. This is a C certificate IVD product. This is a front view. On the back side we can see the solutions, diluent, magnetic microbeads also. This is a top view. These are all are closed tightly in the container. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about Snibe Dynastic Maglumi SHBG CLIA. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 23.5 ml buffer, 23.5 ml ABEI label, 15 ml dilute, 1 ml lifeoil acid control 1, 1 ml lifeoil acid control 2. This kit contains a magnetic microbeads, 23.5 ml buffer, an ABEI label, and 15 ml diluent. This tray contains 2 empty tubes and calibrator low and high, controls 1 and 2. Here we can see the instruction manual, reagent seal and control stickers. This is the overall view. Thank you.